Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Etsy integration for Shopify listings with eRank, full guide step by step clearly. To install Etsy integration for your Shopify listings using eRank, first, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type eRank and press enter. Click on the eRank app from the search results. Select the Add App button to begin the installation. You may be prompted to log into your eRank account or create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your eRank account to Shopify. Once logged in, allow eRank the necessary permissions to access your Shopify store. After authorization, return to your Shopify dashboard. Locate the eRank app in your Shopify apps section and click on it. Now, navigate to the Etsy integration tab within the eRank dashboard. Follow the prompts to connect your Etsy shop to eRank. Enter your Etsy shop credentials when prompted. Confirm the connection between eRank and your Etsy shop. Select the Shopify listings you want to sync with your Etsy store. Adjust any settings as necessary for how you want the listings to appear on Etsy. Review the details of your listings to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks good, hit the Sync Listings button. Wait for eRank to process the sync. After the sync is complete, check your Etsy shop to confirm the listings are live. If you need to make adjustments, return to eRank and edit your synced listings as needed. Feel free to explore additional eRank features to optimize your Etsy listings further. You've successfully installed Etsy integration for your Shopify listings using eRank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.